In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up our environment for our testing, to begin testing. As I promised, I'm going to mock the whole Prisma environment into one file where we don't have to mock Prisma functions in every single file. So let us go through our environments first. So I have set up an index.ts file, which is here, and we have a main function, which is instantiating a new Prisma client, which we can use it to create user or find many users like this. Users. Let's log this. And when we run this file, we will get a result something like this. The name is Rich and hello at prisma.com with an ID of this. And for the Prisma to work, we need to do two things. First is to set up our environment variables. For you, just when you clone this repository, the repository is available in this link that I've added right here. Some magic, I don't know. When you have to make a copy of this file and paste your own MongoDB URL. For setting up your own MongoDB server, go to mongodb.com and log in. We can log into this environment and then click on clusters. We can click on connect, and using our drivers, you see here it gives us this URL, which is a DB username, DB password, @ something that is specific for my own account, and you can create other users in database access here. Okay, that is the first thing that you have to do. The second one is to create a schema.prisma file, okay, which I have created before, and to set up our tables and initiated our table, put it in our database online. Okay, now these two steps are done. I'm going to create another prisma.ts file, which is here, for not creating an instance every time I want to use a Prisma client, okay? But in this video, we were supposed to mock the Prisma client here. So for that, we have to create a new folder called mocks.prisma.ts. Note that it has to be the exact directory as is, and with the exact file name that we want to mock the Prisma client. Okay, I'm going to write a few tests. I'm going to say Prisma is mock deep Prisma client and here. But mock-dip is not defined here. We have to install a new dependency like vitest-mock-extended, which has this function, mock-dip, okay? And we want to export default Prisma. And before each test, before each should import from vitest itself, before each from vitest. I want to mock reset Prisma. And as you can see here, it's done. In the next couple of videos, we're going to do a CRUD application using Express, Node, Vitest, and TypeScript. Okay, stay tuned. And for the next video, we are going to implement the create method for creating posts or user, probably a user. If you want to code along, I'll give you the repository link here. Okay, magic. Okay, bye bye.